Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Jonathan Federa, and in this video I'm going to go over your first steps in business. All right, I have been in small business owning for the past 15 years, and I've seen a lot of people start businesses from a position of weakness, not a position of strength. So what I'd like to do is I really want to help you, give you the best chance to succeed, grow your business, and help your local community. So this is basically a very easy to follow guideline that is so important. All right. And the first part of this is start with strong personal credit. All right. And the reason I say that is because as you're operating a business, there's certain needs and requirements for cash. Okay. For lending, certain financial products, insurance, everything, a lot of what you're going to need is going to revolve around your personal credit. And if you're starting a business with weak personal credit, it's going to make your life a lot harder. Okay. So please make sure when you start a business, you're starting in the best position as possible. And what that means is you have plenty of cash, you have a plan, you have good credit, so you have strong borrowing power. And if you can do those things, you're going to be a lot more successful, and you're going to give yourself the best chance to succeed and grow and make the impact that you want to make. All right. Next, build your business credit. And a lot of people ask me, when is the best time I should build my business credit? As soon as you get your tax ID number. Okay. So the minute you get your EIN and you get your tax ID number, you need to start building your business credit. And I'm going to give you 5 basic steps that you can use and you can do the minute you get that. All right. So the first step, okay, you want to go on Dun & Bradstreet and you want to get your DMV number. You're going to need these 5 steps completed before you do that. All right. The first thing is you're going to need a business email address. So you go on Google, get a G Suite account, and then it's going to cost you only $9 a month. It's super cheap. Once you have your G Suite account, have info at whatever your website is, or Jonathan. So mine is Jonathan at Integrated Business Financing. Now that you have your email, what we need you to do, make sure you have a business address. If it's a home-based business, that's okay, right? Just make sure you have a business address. So you get your business address. Don't use a PO box ever. Never on any lending application, not when you're getting your business credit. Have an actual business address. The next step, okay, a business phone number. Get a business phone number that is registered to the business and not a Google Voice number, right? Because the Google Voice number is actually registered to Google. You need a number that if somebody looks up that number, it ties into your business. All right. So now that you have an email, an address, your phone number, you need to get a business bank account, just a basic business checking account. And the last step is you need a website. It can be a one-page website, but you want on there the business phone number, the business email address, and the business address. Once you have that, you go to Dun & Bradstreet and you enter in all that information, make sure it matches, make sure that matches everywhere online too. Okay. Once that is done, you can start using your Dun & Brad's number to apply for business credit. You can apply for Uline, for Staples, for Best Buy, for Home Depot, and only use your DMV number. You might only get $500 worth of credit, but you're starting to build those trade lines. And that comes into play when you need an SBA loan in 3 years, or you need to buy equipment in 2 years. That'll really be helpful for you. So make sure you do that. Next, if you're a business that accepts credit cards, don't just use Stripe or Square or PayPal. Go to a third-party payment processor. They can design everything that you need, how you want transactions to flow. Is there monthly recurring revenue? All right, get all of that situated in a way that you are comfortable. Okay, and if you're starting off for the first time, I suggest you do a program called Cash Discount. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. All right, once all that is done, you should craft an offer. Okay, make a landing page, craft an offer, and build an email list. And I know this sounds archaic. However, if you are giving out or giving away certain valuable information, okay, to your ideal client, and it has to be to your ideal client, right? Collect names, emails, and then whenever you have something like your grand opening, okay, you can go and blast that out and already have engagement and traffic. Okay, it's super important. Make content, collect an email, get a phone number, and build that list. Once you have that, then you can start running ads and building the business. Okay, and that's the fifth step. Be able to run ads. If you're a local business, I think it's a little bit easier because you can basically market to a certain radius and a certain demographic. If you're a national company, that list is going to be even more important because the more people on that list, the more people you can reach on a daily or weekly basis whenever you have to do it. And as a bonus, content is always going to be king. But the important thing is not making content to make content. Way too many people can get in front of a mic and start rambling. You need content that is actually going to help. Now, I understand that this is the first couple steps in business. That's the title of this video. However, if you haven't done any of these things and you own a business, you should go back and absolutely backtrack and do that. It's going to be super important because you're going to be able to grow and scale just utilizing these things that we've discussed here today. All right. The next couple steps, I'll make in a different video, but this is a great way to get started. And if you ever need help with any type of financing, any payment processing, anything like that, please reach out. I'm here to help. I'm here to serve. I want to see you win. And thanks for joining. If this helped you, please subscribe and share this with someone that is looking to start a business.